This is going to be a video on how to remove order entry tools from the Thinkorswim platform. It pops up on charts now when they did an update. And so when you're clicking on your watch list, you'll see here this annoying kind of order entries tool pops up. So I'm going to show you here if this hasn't happened to you, or if it has happened to you, I'm going to show you how to fix it. So let's drop this down. You'll see I have a watch list over here, and my charts are the way I want them here, the right size. And when I click on my watch list, you'll see when I go down, sometimes it takes a little bit of a delay. When I go down here, see that? This will start to pop up. Sometimes it pops up automatically, like right away, or takes, sometimes you'll click on a couple symbols and then it pops up. And then you see it scrunches my charts, and then this is in the way. So if I kind of push it down again, kind of go through some of the symbols, you'll see again, it pops up. So this is really annoying, and if you want to remove it, it's simple, but it's kind of weird. I had to Google it myself when this popped up, and I saw on Reddit that you need to change last to mark. So let me show you how to do that here, which is weird. Why, I don't know why Thinkorswim, they have a really good platform to use overall, but then they make these updates and then they're just really silly, and then it takes a while for them to change them. So complain to Thinkorswim why they did this. Who knows why they did it, but it's annoying. So if you go here to customize, remove last right here, and then add mark, for whatever reason, that's what they did. When you double click on mark and add it, and let me just kind of go up and move this spot right here. Customize, go up to mark right there. And let me minimize or get rid of the order entry. And now let me click on my symbols. So I'll click on a few. So let's do a bunch. I'll just keep randomly doing it. So you'll see now I'm clicking several times and it's not popping up because I have mark right here. So you'll see it's mark for whatever reason. That's the fix. So again, if you think it's weird, just like I do, it's super annoying. But if it's in your watch list and you have the order entry tools popping up, just change last to mark, and that should fix the problem. Again, I'd reach out to Thinkorswim. It takes them, or to Charles Schwab now with not TD Ameritrade. Charles Schwab, reach out to him and say, why are you doing this? It's super annoying. A lot of times they'll fix the problem, but it takes a lot of complaints and a while for them to do anything. So hopefully this video helped you on the removing the order entry tools on charts within Thinkorswim. If you want some other tutorials, we have a lot of tutorials on how to use Thinkorswim on our YouTube channel. So make sure to watch our Thinkorswim playlist.